Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's wash day and my co-pilot for this relaxing reset is the Shea Moisture Bond Repair System. Yes girl, Shea Moisture has hopped on to the bond repair bandwagon and I'm here for it. The bond repair collection is a 4-step system comprising of a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, which I don't have, and a leave-in conditioner. These products are infused with Amla oil, known to moisturize and nourish hair, Hydroplex to help rebuild the internal hair strength, and Amla blend to help fortify and replenish hair strands. We are in for a wash day scientifically proven to provide 84% less breakage and 6 times stronger hair, formulated for us type 3 and type 4 girls. First up, we have the amazing shampoo. It gently cleanses while repairing and strengthening the hair bonds. I love how my hair feels so clean and refreshed after using it, without that stripping feel. Real top tier shampoo, especially if your hair is prone to breakage. This non-slip formula feels so easy on your hair, which allows you to separate and properly scrub your scalp without worry of causing breakage. Gal, catch the curl package. This shampoo did that. Next up, we have the conditioner. This is the perfect follow-up to the shampoo. It is super moisturizing and helps to detangle my hair with ease. I love how it leaves my hair feeling soft, smooth, and more manageable. My hair is extremely matted thanks to the good slippage. Finger detangling and comb detangling was a breeze. Next wash day, I will be trying the deep conditioner, so stay tuned for that. Okay. This week, I'm doing a wash and go style. This will last a few days because we have places to be and people to see. Okay. This is a very versatile low manipulation style. I'll be using the Eco Styler gel and the Bond Repair leave-in to achieve this style. This leave-in should protect and repair dry processed hair to transform damaged brittle strands into shiny renewed curls. This is a perfect base product to be used as a part of my styling routine. It leaves my curls smooth, soft, and defined. And then I can just freeze my curls in place with a gel. The best version of yourself is the healthiest version of yourself, and life becomes easier thereafter. This rule applies to your hair care as well. Healthy hair won't break. Naturally curly hair will get defined once hydrated and strong. Your hair will grow once your scalp is healthy. Our hair is made up of bonds that can get damaged due to heat, chemicals, or environmental factors. Sounds a lot like life, right? The Amla Oil Bond Repair line works by penetrating the hair shaft and repairing these broken bonds from within. This results in stronger, healthier, and more resilient hair. Okay, just like internal work. Can I tell you about it? Girl! Last but not least, we have the repair oil. I'm a bit indifferent about this oil because it's like a finishing oil, but I'll keep you posted on my next wash day. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, take care of yourself and take care of your hair. Until next time, stay beautiful. And stay strong.